Alone Romeo will play a song from the Romeos. Die Romeos haben 1995 ein Album mit dem Namen Blue Mantle veröffentlicht und auf diesem Album ist ein Titel mit dem Namen Turns Me So Blue. Geschrieben hat den Song damals unser Gitarrist Michael Jungblut und ich muss sagen, ich war richtig ein bisschen neidisch. Ein so toller Song. Und wie der sich anhört, das hört ihr jetzt von mir. It turns me so blue. On the lonesome hideaway, you told me we will win. Carry all that water I am digging out of sin. Now here in dirty town, looking for a grave. I said I really want you, babe, I only like your shape. It turns me so blue. It turns me so blue. Oh, I don't wanna win, I like to lose. Looking down, my hands are red, and I wonder what I did. I really want that girl, but me, can you send no angel face? She said I want her white and blind, and I'm stranded in the rain. Well, ain't no use to talk about, 'cause you just feel the same. It turns me so blue. It turns me so blue. Oh, I don't wanna win, I like to lose. It turns me so blue. It turns me so blue. Oh, I don't wanna win, I like to lose. Years passed through the door when I failed to come home. I lost my heart in Rabbit Town and it crossed my window room. Oh, you don't hear no laughter between the hard place and the ground. How can you hear me whispering? I never felt so good. It turns me so blue. It turns me so blue. Oh, I don't wanna win, I like to lose. It turns me so blue. It turns me so blue. Oh, I don't wanna win, I